I'm out here in the garden today doing something a little different. My hands aren't in the dirt. They are about to be on some paintbrushes. As I was thinking about what to do this week, I was thinking about how much as communities we just need each other. We need to hear from each other all the time. And whether that's a phone call or a simple note, it always goes a long way. We always need to hear from our people. So today I'm working on something that I thought y'all would want to do as well. It's really simple, and something I love to do is paint personal postcards or note cards to friends and family. And it doesn't even have to say much, just thinking of you with a personalized piece of art goes such a long way. So 2 ways to go about it. I have pressed flowers before, and these are 2 examples of what that could look like. These were both from last season that I pressed in a book and then glued on here, and I thought I would show you how to do that. Here's my pressed flowers. This is a really cool leaf. So I have just some regular glue, and on my paper I'm going to start by putting the glue on the leaf. You have to be very careful. Now I'll just let it dry and write on the back. How pretty is that? Simple and easy. And the other thing I thought I would show you is painting garden scenes on watercolor paper with watercolor. So this is the kind of paper that I got, and you can get this at really any store, Walmart, Kroger probably. Most stores have watercolor paper. And what I've done is I already cut it up into note card sizes, and then I have my watercolor paint, which I've already put on the table, and some paintbrushes, and then I have this tray for mixing my colors, some water to rinse my brushes, and then some paper towels, because paper towels, you always need them. So what I'm gonna do is start by, I think I'm gonna start with lavender. I have some lavender in the garden that I was looking at earlier, and I just thought that would be such a pretty scene for a note card. So what I'll do is start with my colors. Red and blue make purple, so I'm gonna get to mixing. And then to get the paint going, you have to add water. I know that seems obvious, but I think I already have a green on here that I like. This one right here. So I'm just gonna add some water to it. It's pretty bright green, and lavender is kind of a bluish green. So I'm gonna take some of this blue, mix it in there. Actually, I'm gonna shift and work from this palette. Oh, that is so pretty. Such a pretty color. Okay, so now we're ready to paint. I think I will start with stem. Next I'm going to get this really tiny brush to do the lavender, because lavender is a pretty delicate flower. Love lavender. After seeing it though, I think I need more than just the single. I think I need 3. So I'm going to add 2 more to this bunch. There. I like it. It's nothing crazy, but it's me, and the person I'm going to send it to, I think will like it too. Next, I think I'm going to do a fern and maybe some flowers from the garden, and really just take my time creating what I see around me. It's a beautiful garden, a beautiful evening, and I think whoever receives these in the mail will feel the peace that I'm feeling here. I hope you'll take some time to create something, either press some flowers from the garden or some leaves from your yard and glue them onto some paper, put them in the mail, and send a quick little note to a loved one. It really means a lot to get something in the mail. How special would that be? Hope you've enjoyed this and learned something new. It's been fun for me. I think I'm gonna keep going.